It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Good morning, good afternoon. It's almost 1. It's almost 1 p.m. It's quarter of 12:45. So, good afternoon, everyone. It's lunchtime. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's lunchtime. It's Monday afternoon, January 13th. So, we're having chicken noodle soup for lunch with hard-boiled eggs right here. So chicken noodle soup for lunch with hard-boiled eggs, and of course we have peanut butter pandesal. It's pandesal with peanut butter inside, and ubi hopia for dessert. Hobi hopia for dessert. So we're gonna shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello, good afternoon, and we have some Indian mango for dessert as well. There you go, and enjoy, and God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe, please don't forget to like and share it. It's Megan, it's Pinay Vlog of Maryland, and saying hello to you all. God bless you all, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all, silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone, God bless, and take care, enjoy watching, and God bless us all. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon. Is chicken noodle soup for lunch for cold weather today. Is feeling under the weather, so let's eat, enjoy, and God bless. So let's have some soup and enjoy, and God bless you all with hard-boiled eggs. So we having chicken noodle soup with carrots and more vegetables inside. So let's enjoy it. God bless, and hard-boiled eggs in here is a lot of protein, and God bless you all. Thank you for watching. God bless. So of course we always have a coffee. This is like late breakfast and lunch as well. Is breakfast and lunch, brunch. So we have some pandesal with peanut butter inside. Pandesal with peanut butter in here. And hopia ubi right here too. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long. Enjoy, and see you again soon for the next vlog. In Indian mango for dessert as well right here. Sweet Indian mango. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Let's have some sweet Indian mango for dessert. So sweet Indian mango for dessert right here. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long. It's me again, it's been a vlog. Take care wherever you are. Mabuhay po tayong lahat sa man tayo nanonood ng sulok ng mundo. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Ingat po tayo, and God bless us all. Take care, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't skip ad, and pull the notification bell, and press all for the next vlog, and enjoy watching. Thank you, and God bless you all. It's Megan Espina Vlog. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to you all. And wherever you are, stay safe as always. God bless us all, and God bless everyone. And thank you again and again. And so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Is chicken noodle soup for lunch with salt and crackers right here. So that's it for now. So thank you. So long. Enjoy, and God bless us all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. So long, and see you again soon. It's me again, next vlog. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to you all. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Take care, and God bless you all. See you again soon. And it's me again, it's been a vlog. Thank you, and God bless.